Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 23rd of June. It is Thursday, not Wednesday, but Thursday morning. And once again, I'm looking at the ES futures. That's the Emini S&P 500, which is a derivative of the major index, the S&P 500. And for all those who have been following the channel, thank you guys for following the channel. To all the subs and subscribers that have clicked that red button, thank you for doing so, guys. Please make sure that you click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to never miss one of the uploads here on the channel. First time viewers, thank you for watching. I am a price action trader. I pretty much trade following price action purely pretty much, but I do use a simple strategy of trading supply and demand, and that's how I trade. So I look for I take a top-down approach. I look at the higher time frame. I start off with my 60 range chart to kind of see what the market is doing, kind of getting from a bigger perspective. And if I see an area where price is tapped into an area of supply or demand, I start scaling down to my lower time frame charts and just basically look for breaks in structure. You know, prices in the area of demand off the higher time frame. I look at my lower time frame, like my 12 range, which is my anchor chart, to see if price is going to start breaking structure, meaning making higher highs and higher lows, breaking through structure, and then I just basically look for a pullback. So it's just definitely the absolute opposite when price is hitting off an area of supply. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Take a look at the higher time frame. But first, if you're interested in joining the Discord for the group here on the channel, Future Trading with Mike, look down in the description portion of the video below, and you will find the link to the Discord community where we have a following base, a group fellow like-minded traders where we share ideas, talk about certain things, share levels, ask questions, and members answer questions. So it's just a great opportunity for individuals like ourselves to be able to converse in a chat room environment. So and have our own platform to kind of speak. So if you're interested in joining, please make sure to click on find the link down in the description portion of this video below and click on the link. Okay, so outside of that, if you're interested in any of the books, reading material surrounding trading, I've listed links to 8 books down below. Great books that that have helped me in my trading. And definitely, if you're a beginner, intermediate trader starting out, you'll find some great content and to talk about different strategies, tips, to teach market structure, talk about price action, just so many different things. Talk about technical analysis, fundamentals. So, just there's a list of books down in the description portion of the video, which I get a lot of questions about. People ask, what kind of what books would I recommend? So I put them down in the description portion of the video below. So take a look at that. So right now, if we look at the higher time frame, we see that the market is still breaking. It's pretty much retraced back into this area of resistance right here. It hasn't broke this high right here. So we do have price push down here, pull back. We had a high here and then it made a low here. So we're kind of still we're in a wedge trading sideways off the 60 range chart, as you can see here. But it is stair stepping to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows. So at this current time, let's see, so price right now, if you look at the 60 range, is trading within yesterday's trading range. So as you can see right here, it's just chopping sideways. Okay, so it hasn't taken out this high here off of this move to the upside, nor has it taken out this low here. So it's hold on a minute, let's see, pushed up, pulled back, and then did it break higher here? Yeah, well, a few ticks. So broke higher. So we have a high right here and then a low right here. So price is even in a wedge here on a 60 range. So we're kind of like in a wedge within a wedge. Let me move this down a little bit so I can mark the kind of the wedge, the areas you can see what I'm talking about as a wedge. Wedge in here, but we also had a small wedge right here. Okay, so wedge within a wedge, I call it. So be careful there. Price is grinding to the side and not really doing too much. So yeah, so let's go scale down to this 12 range because I don't see much of anything that price is really hitting off on either supply or demand on the 60 range. So we'll look at the 12 range, okay, and possibly even the 24 range. But even on the 12 range, you can see the market's moving sideways, okay. you can see that, like I just said, I showed you moving in trading, yesterday's trading range. Here it is right here. This is today's trading overnight into today's opening of today's session was in this area right here. So yeah, we're just moving sideways, guys. That's all we're really doing right now. So yeah, we just gonna have to sit back and wait to see what happens. That's all I can say. And you know, one of the major reasons why I like trading supply and demand, using the strategy of trading supply and demand, it just eliminates so much headache, eliminates the stress in trading, because you're getting into the move where either the buying, where the accumulation of the buying or accumulation of the selling, started at. You're getting into where it all first happened at, versus getting into halfway, through a move, whatever the case is. So, just say for instance, let's see if we can find a quick area right here. I'll show you, like right here at 7:30 this morning, we see price making these higher highs and higher lows, meaning it run to the upside, then it flips, it pivots, it turns to it starts breaking structure back down to the downside, right? Well, the pullback, on the pullback, you look for an area, which this little area right here, there was some, off the 12 range now, there was a decent amount, a little bit of aggressive selling that came out of the swing right here. So the demand and supply area is always going to be tucked back into the internal or inside of a swing, I call it, whatever the case is. That's where the accumulation of buying, accumulation of selling starts to happen, where it starts to unfold, where that move starts to unfold. So price pulls back into that area right here. Okay, we see it. This is the little zone I'll show you for market off here, what I would be looking for in a sense. So basically on a retracement right here to this area here, price taps into it, right? Close of the red candle, you go short, pulls back for a second chance. Close of the red candle, you go short again. So that's supply. And that's why I like trading, because you're getting into the move when price pulled back right here where the selling started at, okay? And then that's why it's so impactful. That's why you can make money and profit very well from trading supply and demand. So it's just, to me, it's just easier to see. It just makes more sense when price pulls back or moves back on a retracement back to those areas, okay? So let's look to see what the market is doing right now. It's still trying to break lower. It pushed down, made its low here, pulled back, breaking structure right now. It's breaking to the downside, taking out support, and we are at this moment hitting up against an area of support below us. Okay, so yes, we got support here, and it just broke through support on the move to the downside. Okay, so let's see what the market has, what it's going to end up doing here. Okay, so the market is yeah, it's just broke a little lower, pull back. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm not sure, guys. I'm going to wait on this one and see what the market's going to do here. Okay, I'm going for stab long. Come on. Okay, quick little stab long. Okay, the market is racing right now, so it's a little volatile, so I'm going to stand down right now. I did go for a little long there. Okay. All right, so let me take a look here and see what's going on. Yeah. When we look at the Forex calendar, or factory calendar, Forex factory calendar, this is the economic news calendar that I use to kind of see. What's today? Today's 23rd, so we're down here on Thursday. 10 o'clock, we got chair member Powell speaking. Again, he spoke yesterday at 9:30. Yep, so I'm going to stand down at this point here until we clear this news event here. We also have PMI, or flash manufacturing PMI, at 9:45. So anything marked on this calendar here, primarily in the orange or red, is going to be more impactful. You see here at 10, we have this economic, we have the Fed Chair Powell testifies today or speaks today at 10 again. So that's why the market's starting to race a little bit. So I'm going to stand down this moment and wait for that news event to the pace of the market kind of slow down. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, we'll wait and see. Yeah, you can see the market is moving pretty quick right now. So yeah, this is why I'm not trading at this current moment. Let's see if anybody on Discord is talking about anything here. We'll put this out in the community here. Okay, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Like I said, so we'll see. We'll see. All right, so yeah, the market is maybe it's gonna, let's see. Maybe it's gonna break this area right here, resistance right here, and they'll come up and test this area here and push higher. We'll see. Let's see. Maybe a quick little short right here, but just back down to this area right here, so you gotta be careful. Trying to adjust my light a little bit, guys. So on my light. Yeah, so on that first trade there, I just picked up a quick 9 ticks right there. So not much. Yeah, what time is it? Oh, it's only 5 minutes after 10. So yeah, I can imagine that the chair Powell is just not kind of speaking. So I'm going to hold off right now. Yeah, you can even see on the 12 range chart we're just in a wedge right now, moving sideways. So be careful, guys. Trading this crazy mess. Let's blow this up a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I might try to look for it. Pull back, maybe to this area here. I'm not sure, but we gotta be careful because we got this news, economic. Well, I say news, but Chair Powell talking right now, so we have to be careful because anything can sway the market at this point. Anything. Come along. Yeah, I may have taken a little too early, to be honest with you. Maybe a little early here. Yeah, I'm early. Way too early. Come on. Okay. I am early, guys. Ah. Yeah, I'm early on a trade. I don't want to see a break below this area right here. Came right down to it. Didn't break below it yet, though. Okay, come on. Market is volatile. Look at it. Okay. There we go. Okay, I was way early on that trade. I didn't want to see it break. The red candle come down and break below this area here at 73. Just say 73 and 3/4. It didn't close below that. It wicked out there and it popped right back up. But this is, I'm trading around news, guys. So be careful trading around any kind of news. But I knew this would be the area right here. I just got into it too early. So, I'm gonna look at my 4 range right quick because market could possibly come up and test this area up here at 84, 85 area. So, but it's pulling back right now. Yeah, this mess is definitely choppy sideways. We're right at the VPOC, so choppy sideways. There you go. Be careful. Took a lot of heat on right there, but right now I'm up 20 ticks. Didn't like that trade. I should have waited, but I really should have waited till price came down to this area right here at 74, and I didn't. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait right now. And you got resistance right above us here, so yeah, I'm gonna stand down here. Not sure what the market's trying to do here. Not sure if it's going to, it made a low here, pull back. Not sure if it's going to take out support here and break lower, taking out structure over here. What it's going to quite do yet, I'm not sure. It's just chopping sideways right now. Alright, so maybe we're finally trying to break higher now. We moved in this range, chopping sideways. Yeah, not sure. Maybe we're finally going to break through this range here and maybe push it to the upside here. We'll see. Yeah, the market's gotten a little volatile right here. It's just chopping sideways, but I was able to kind of scalp. And right now I'm up 30 ticks right now, so I'm just scalping even in this little range here. So be careful trading this mess. You want to see it break out of this area, break out of this range here. It's trying to test the back up here, the highs up here. So we'll see. Yeah, when you see days like this, guys, I just call it sloppy chop, moving sideways. I mean, we've been doing this for the last, definitely since the market opened up, but since really 8 o'clock this morning, the price made a high here, came down, made a low here, trading within this leg here, moving sideways. I mean, it's just been doing this for, what time is it now? For almost 11, it's 11:15. So it's been doing this almost 2 hours now since the market's been opening up. So I want to see it break out of this area, break this high here, and push higher, or maybe turn and break this low here. But it's definitely a big wedge right now, centering around and building volume in this area right here. And we have the VPOC, which is the daily VPOC, off the daily session right here. So you see it there. Just not a lot going on today, so I think I'm just gonna just stand down, and I may come back later and see what the market is doing, and maybe if it breaks out of this range, then maybe try to take a trade or two. But I'm gonna probably close this video out and go ahead and get it uploaded. But yeah, just be careful, guys, trading days like this. Just how to, if you see something like this going on and you got other things to do, maybe just go ahead and do those other things. I mean, price is trying to come back up here and retest this high right here. This was, price made a high. You can see it here on the 12 range. Pushed up, pulled back, made a high, flip, turned directions, started breaking to the downside, took out this support here or this low right here, and made a low right here, pulled back, and then I made a lower low, taking out, you know, this area support right here. Then it turns back around and starts taking structure out on its way back to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows. But then we just start moving sideways. So we're trapped within this leg right here with the high here and a low sitting here. So I'm gonna wrap it up. Call it a session right here. I'm not even going to kind of, you know, I'm not even going to push it any further, guys. I'm not going to try to. This is where traders start getting trapped in. So don't get trapped, guys. Okay. But yeah, you can definitely make money. You know, better days. We are in the summertime, so keep that. Be mindful of the summer. I'm not sure what volume looks like today. We could take a look at the volume. Yeah, see, normally we'll be around already well over 1 million contracts traded already. So, you know, we're like 3/4 of that already right now. But that's typical summer volume. You know, a lot of people are traveling or vacation, things like that. So, you know, it is what it is. Volume's a lot thinner in the summer months, and then we start ramping back up around the latter part of August, going into September, or whatever the case is. So it is what it is, right? But yeah, this is how. To me, this is, you know, trading the future indexes are, it's just a way to eliminate the stress, guys, to me. I mean, especially trading using a strategy of trading supply and demand, because as I mentioned before, you're getting in to where the move started to position itself or started to happen or unfolding with the accumulation of buying and selling. So that's why I like trading supply and demand. I'm not knocking anyone that trades a different style of trading, I know, but you know, some people trade for Fibonacci's. It just depends, you know. People trade different things. Some people, you know, purely look at the order flow book. They trade pure order flow, looking at the book and you know, looking at the orders hitting the bid versus the ask side. Some people use what's called the price ladder too. Price ladder is versus seeing the candles here. It's like you kind of like see candles, but it has price columns. It has, you know, orders shown on both sides of the book, meaning both the bid and the ask, and you can see, you know, if there are, you know, large amounts of orders coming in on one side of the book, whatever the case is, whether absorption going on one side of the market, or whatever the case is. But yeah, you know, everybody has their own different way of trading, whatever the case is. I like to keep mine simple. So that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have too much more to say today, but I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you want to join the Discord, we'll join you. We would love to have you, join the Discord. Just look down in the description portion of the video, click the link, and hit invite, and or accept, and add yourself to the Discord, guys. We have, I believe, there's 100 members right now in the Discord, so we're continuously growing each and every day, and it's a good community. We, you know, everyone talks about certain levels of they're looking to trade, and you know, community felt like-minded traders that we ask questions, people answer questions that have answers to them. But it's just not so much around, you know, my trading. It's interesting because you have other traders in there who trade each and every day, and some people trade the different future markets. They may trade the NASDAQ, or, you know, crude, or whatever the case may be. But it's interesting to see who trades what, you know, their different strategies of how they trade. So it's just a good community. If you're a trader and you're interested in joining, guys, come on, join the team, join the Discord, and we welcome to have you. So that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up here. Everyone have a safe and successful day, and be safe in the market, because right now we're doing some crazy stuff right now. Not doing much at all. So hopefully we'll break out of this crazy range we're in. Take care and have a great one. See you in the next video.